Here are the top creators and marketers on the social media site TikTok's tactics to help you grow your audience by making use of the network's enormous user base. Hello everyone, I'm happy to have you all back on my channel. In today's video, we'll talk about how to monetize your TikTok account. Once you have a better knowledge of your target market, choosing how to make money from TikTok members is simpler. No one method of monetization works for everyone, but those who make the most money typically have several complementary sources of income. With TikTok, there are countless opportunities, from sponsored content to organic marketing. But before we go any further, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel and enable the notification bell so that you may see more exciting content like this. Without further ado, let's review some of the popular methods individuals monetize their TikTok accounts. 1. Sign up for the TikTok Creator Fund. Users who have a big following might consider making money with the TikTok Creator Fund. You can receive a different amount from the Creator Fund than another user depending on your audience size, user engagement level, and posting frequency. 2. Offer your fans merchandise. TikTok is an excellent platform for monetizing almost any kind of video by selling your goods. Any artist, whether a dancer, musician, or comedian, is free to create and sell goods to their most ardent fans. Thanks to the numerous print-on-demand companies, there is an enormous assortment of products. You have the option to sell t-shirts, tote bags, pillowcases, hats, coffee mugs, stickers, notebooks, or any other combination of goods. Selling print-on-demand products have benefits that go beyond financial gain. Owning branded merchandise allows you to interact with your audience on a more intimate level through every follower who sports your logo. 3. Go live and gather virtual gifts. For creators wishing to monetize their work through live streaming, live gifting is one of TikTok's most helpful services. Although other social networks offer live streaming capabilities, TikTok stands out because it enables users to receive virtual gifts that can be exchanged for money in real time as a way for users to express their gratitude. 4. Collaborate with other brands or influencers in the TikTok Creator Marketplace. TikTok provides one of the most inventive ways for its producers to monetize their work with its Creator Marketplace. The Creator Marketplace brings together relevant businesses and influencers to swiftly and easily facilitate interactions for both parties. 5. Use the TikTok Ads Manager to make in-feed advertisements. Although TikTok has many great organic marketing opportunities, you might want to consider using the TikTok Ads Manager to create in-feed advertising if you want to broaden the audience for your content. TikTok can rank among your top online marketing options. 6. Obtain financial backing for projects through fan donations. Crowdfunding is one of the easiest ways for creators to make real money. Given the time and effort you invest into creating content for your audience, providing a straightforward, no-pressure manner for them to donate is a great way to ensure a consistent stream of income. Here are some crowdfunding websites to check out if you're wanting to fund a certain project. Kickstarter. The most popular crowdfunding website on the internet is called Kickstarter. Indiegogo. Indiegogo, which has a more adaptable fundraising objective, may be preferable if you don't have a specific financing goal in mind. Fundable. Fundable is a fantastic resource for finding investors because it enables entrepreneurs to trade shares for the money. Crowdcube allows businesses to join their Crowdcube-funded club and receive unique rewards from their partner organizations if they meet their fundraising targets. Crowdfunder. With a network of more than 12,000 investment firms and angel investors to connect with, Crowdfunder enabled businesses to raise cash from certified investors. 7. Gather feedback from your audience. Websites for tipping people are a more flexible financial option. They'd operate exactly like a tip jar in real life. Fans have the choice to donate, but it's not required, and they can do so whenever they'd like for any amount. Here are some fantastic tipping systems to check out if this pleases you more. Typee. On Typee, creators can create a page where their admirers can directly tip them whenever they want for whatever amount. Buy Me a Coffee. Fans are directed to a URL where they can buy as many coffees as they want for the creator. In this case, coffees are $1 contributions given to the developer via PayPal or online banking. Ko-Fi. Ko-Fi offers subscriptions, tips, and options for users to receive commissions for customized content. 8. Launch a Patreon and accepts subscriptions from fans. If you're hoping to establish a more consistent income stream, crowdfunding is effective for large projects. If so, you might think about utilizing a creator-based subscription service like Patreon. Because you can keep individual membership rates low and concentrate on increasing your subscriber base. Subscription-based sources of income are ideal for content creators. Who profits the most from TikTok? Here are the TikTok users who will make the most money in 2022, per HopperHQ. $105,770 per post for Charli D'Amelio, 147.6 million followers. Cabane Lane, $92,270 for each post, 150.2 million followers. Bella Poarch, $67,829 for each position, 91.1 million followers. $65,194 per post for Addison Rae, 88.7 million followers. $53,741 per post for Will Smith, 72.1 million followers. Why do they succeed? Let's look at some of the strategies the most successful TikTok users employ. The most crucial factor to take into account when deciding how to monetize your TikTok videos is your audience. First, study your audience on TikTok before you start making money. On TikTok, your target market will likely be younger. The majority of users, 62%, are under 30 years old, with a startling 32.5% of users being under the age of 20. It's a common misconception that TikTok's attractiveness to Gen Z users is what distinguishes it, but this might quickly alter. The content of TikTok differs widely. There are some common qualities of TikTok content that its user base is likely to be more open to. What works for one audience might not work for others. Thus, the type of content you upload should be driven by your audience's interests. Authenticity. All of the most well-known TikTokers have a variety of skills, including those of dancers, comedians, and philosophers. What they always share is a desire to be transparent. Audience participation, duets, the cue, and a function, and video comments are just a few of the inventive ways that TikTok makes it possible for you to interact with your audience. Utilize these elements frequently because TikTok viewers demand a more personal touch. Regular posting a steady stream of content will keep you in your fans' minds, improve the quality of your content in the eyes of TikTok's algorithm, and increase your chances of becoming viral and growing your audience. Although there isn't a single optimum way to use TikTok, having a firm grasp of your audience will put you in a better position to identify the most effective ways to earn money from your following. How to sell to your audience without upsetting them. It might be difficult to avoid using promotional content excessively while using social media to advertise products. Nobody wants to follow an account that always feels like it is pushing something, even while your fans are aware that you need money to keep creating the content they adore. Instead of starting with your sales pitch and creating content around it, create the material first and let it act as inspiration for the best ways to monetize your account. Being a creator, though, means much more in 2022 than it did in the past. No longer the sole creators or artists. They include CEOs, entrepreneurs, accountants, artists, business owners, marketers, and salespeople, among others. In the creator economy, celebrities are self-made. Their big breaks don't originate from the wallets of wealthy gatekeepers, but rather from their creativity, zeal, and ambition. Since time equals money, you can create art with more time if you earn more money from your work. Even if the money itself isn't rewarding, the extra time it buys will. Okay, everyone, the video for today has come to an end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from our channel. Do well to share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the following video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from our channel. Do well to share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the following video.